Have you ever wondered if a radar laser system could be integrated seamlessly into your exotic vehicle? I'll show you the concealed radar laser system we finished on this McLaren 600 LT Spider. Here is the Redenzo radar and AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we customized to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. Starting with the front of the vehicle, this setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from ahead. We fabricated housings that are outlined in yellow for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. The front radar detector will alert you of radar threats ahead. The radar detector was attached to a fabricated bracket behind the bumper. Disassembly of the front of the vehicle is required to properly mount the components and run the wires along with the factory wires. The rear of the vehicle has 3 laser jammers mounted above the license plate to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. A laser jammer housing was fabricated to hide the jammers behind one lens and to prevent modifying the bumper when mounting and routing the wires for the jammers. The rear radar will alert you of radar threats from behind. A fabricated heat shield was created to mount the rear radar and protect it from the heat coming off of the exhaust. The Redenzo display controller was molded into a fabricated center console panel without modifying any factory panels. It was wrapped in matching Alcantara suede. The main components were mounted to a bracket behind a panel in the passenger footwell. The wires were also shortened and labeled for serviceability. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you are alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can attain the speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.